Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to change group ownership and group permission and the group name in HDFS file system. Okay, so this is the command. You can see chgroup, chmod and chown as local file system, and you can see the flag -r for recursively. So we'll discuss everything step by step. First we are going to check how to change the group. Okay, so let me go HDFS -ls and let me check the file system, and first step we are going to discuss how to change the group. Okay, so you can see one of the directory that is MKD and one of the directory that is big data. You can see the owner is root and the group is supergroup. Okay, so let me do a list what is under big data. In the big data there might be some other file, so let me change the group. Okay, so what I can do, you can see there's a Kafka also, and the Kafka there is the same group ownership super user group. Okay, so if we need to do everything in one click, so we need to use -f flag HDFS TFS and then chgrp and then -r, then big data. You can see if we use -r, then what will happen, it will change the group ownership for this big data, and inside there is a directory, the Kafka, so it will change the group ownership for Kafka also. So let me do that. Okay, you can see I have done some mistakes, so group ownership should be root. We are going to give it root. Okay, so we have to wait. Let me do a list. You can see the Kafka. You can see the Kafka. We change root, and then let me do a list for big data. The big data, the group membership change. Okay, so this is how you can change the group membership. You can see I need to put some file. Let me do some HDFS DFS ls. Let me check what is under new. Okay, this file is under new. So what we need to do, the second things we need to change the file permission. Okay, if we need to change this permission 755, what we need to do, same things, HDFS DFS chmod 755 and then the location new log. Okay, this is the command for the file permission. Let me check. Let me do ls. You can see change. Okay, so if you want to change everything, so what you need to do, do a star. Okay, now you can check everything will be changing. Okay, so you can see 755 is assigned for everything, and if you need to do recursively inside a folder, the nested folder, if you have some file and if you need to change everything, then you need to use flag r. Okay, so you need to be careful before doing flag r. So in the production environment, you no need to do, you need to be very careful. Okay, so now we are going to change the ownership. So let me do HDFS DFS-ls. Let me check which ownership we need to change. So we need to change this big data as HDFS. Okay, so let me do here HDFS DFS ch own, and then let me do HDFS. Then the file name is big data, and then Kafka. Oh, sorry, there will be some mistake, and again this will give some output. Okay, since I need to log in as HDFS user. Okay, so let me log in as HDFS user, since root is not a super user here. Now HDFS DFS -ls -ch own. Then let me do, the owner should be HDFS for which directory? Big data. Okay, big data. And if we need to do for Kafka, let me do that. You can see HDFS DFS big data, and then only for Kafka it change. Only for Kafka it change HDFS. Okay, if we do list up to root, then you can see this big data user is not changed. Okay, so if we need to change everything, then what we need to do, we need to use that flag R. Okay, so you can see flag R, then HDFS, it will change everything. Now do me a ls, you can see everything change. So I did up to big data, where I did okay, again I did some mistake. I need to change, I need to do this. Okay, I no need to mention this one, only mention the first, and let me hit enter. Now it will change. So one thing we need to remember, when we are doing something recursively, we have to mention the first folder name. We no need to mention the nested folder name. Here we mention Kafka, so we no need to mention if we are using -r flag. Okay, so if we are using -r for permission also, or other things also, other ownership or group membership also, then we need to mention the first folder name, the root folder name. Okay, now you can see the ownership for big data is changed to HDFS. If we need to change the group also, then we need to mention chgrp. Okay, you can see everything will be changing on the nested folder. Let me do a list for big data. You can see it will be changing to HDFS. Okay, and inside big data there's Kafka, and Kafka will be changing. Okay, ownership is change and group also change. So guys, this is how you can change some permission, some ownership and group membership also. Okay, so for group membership you need to use this command. For owner, chown, and for permission you need to use chmod. You can use that -r flag for recursively for permission also. Okay, this is how you can do everything. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.